Welcome back. In this section we will learn the basics of Java. If you already know Java, then you can miss this section and continue from the next section. Everyone who don't knows about Java programming language, we will deeply cover Java programming language in this section. So for that, in order to run Java, we can use some kind of IDE, integrated development environment for Java. The most popular one for Java is called NetBeans, and you can easily download it from their official website. It's totally free, so you can go to the download section and you can download the latest one, 11.0, and you can download it from here. Binaries or source, whichever you want to download, and there is the video which shows how to download and install this. Alright, but I'm not going to download and install this IDE. I've chosen online editor for this. I will be running online compiler to demonstrate this. So I'm going to type Java compiler, and here is the Java compiler given by the tutorials point. I will be using this for this course. So you can also use this, but I recommend that you use IDE that comes up with a bundle of features, and it's easy to understand code because that provides Java documentation as well. And from there on now on we will learn Java. So in this video we will learn how to how to write a hello world program in Java. So whenever you open or create a new Java project, you will see something like this. This is a simple program that just prints hello world. So every time you will create a project, this will be something like this. And what this bunch of code means is that there is a class named hello world, and inside that class there is a function public static void main, and this function is called by the Java virtual machine, that is actually the compiler of Java. This will be called by that. We don't need to call this function, this is automatically called, and this is the entry point of every Java program, that you have a main function already written there, or you can also write it by yourself. And there is a function call here inside it. System.out.println is a function which I am calling and passing it a string to print a text, a piece of text to print. You can pass it anything and it will print that. It will print that. Alright, so now we have been able to print hello world in this video. From next videos we will learn about variables and data types in Java, various data types in Java. Thanks for watching this video.